Good afternoon, everyone. This is Thomas coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. And today I have the pleasure of going over this 1969 Chevrolet SS Nova 396 that we just got in. Gorgeous car, marina blue in color. Nice body throughout the vehicle. Upgraded with the Riddler torque thrust wheels. Nice chrome throughout. Original SS emblems around the entire vehicle. Original bezels around the rear tail lights. The body and paint has been painted, redone, and it's a beautiful fit and finish. It really is. Beautiful paint, nice chrome, nice emblems. And look at the stance on this baby. Really nice. Front power disc. Nice front chrome bumper. SS front grille. Nice bezels. Cow induction hood. It is a steel hood. We'll move in a little closer now. Driver's fender is excellent condition. There's no marks, no scratches, no dents. Driver's door, very good condition as well. We'll get down here. There's a little blemish way on the bottom here that you can see, but you gotta really come down and bend down. It's under the lip line. Fender, super clean, no issues. Like I said, the chrome's new. It's a nice nickel plate finish. All the bezels. And this rear SS is in original condition, along with the passenger side bezel as well. Look at the reflection on the marina blue paint. Passenger side quarter, excellent. I like when they have the strips here to protect the rocker throughout the many years of driving. No scratches, no issues. On the bottom of the driver's door here, there's just a couple little things popping. This paint was done 5 years ago, so this is not going to get any worse than what it is, but it's there. Want to point out those things. Nice dual sport mirrors around, vent windows for air circulation. This car has tinted windows, as stepping back you can see. Okay, great year for a Nova. Front bumper is excellent. The bezels are really nice. The grille is excellent condition as well. Great reflection. So moving in on the Riddler torque thrust, front power disc, 215/40/17s. Subframe's in nice condition too, it being a Southern car. Sport mirror on this side as well. Vent window. Working windshield wipers, cow induction, roof line is excellent. Trim around both sides of the windows are in excellent condition. And then the rear are 245/40/18s. The rear, it's tucked in really nice. You could get a bigger tire if you wanted to in the rear. You can probably get away with a 275 if you wanted to. Nice trunk lid like I went over, and all the trim around the glass is in really nice condition. Look at the reflection. Let's check out the interior. This car sports bucket seats with the high back, with the nice built-in headrest. And they do recline, so these are aftermarket bucket seats, very comfortable. Look at the door jamb, how nice and clean that is. Body by Fisher with the door sill plates. Look how clean the door lip is. Newer door panels. Inner jambs are nice. Original steering wheel. Nice cluster, showing 23,665. I'm gonna assume it's 123,665. Newer dash pad. Nice cowl here in the front. Weather stripping's in nice condition. They did a nice job. So you can recline, as you can see right there. Most Novas, you cannot recline the seats. This one you can. Okay, so nice carpet, back seat all intact. Nice package tray, 6x9. Tight headliner. Okay, it's gonna need sun visors. Right there, I left the mounts in, and that you can get on eBay if you wanted to. And now let's walk around to the other side. Check out the passenger side of the interior. Doors open and close real nice and simple. Okay, oh, a little harder. Okay, it's not a perfect car, but it's a nice car. Door lips are real nice, as you can see. Continuing with the new door panels and handles. Door sill plates are newer. Inner jambs are done nice, as I mentioned earlier, and the inner jam there. Triple gauge package hooked up on the bottom. B&M shifter. And we saw the back seat. The back seats do not have seat belts. Only the front ones do. Okay. Let's check out the trunk now. Those are the original sun visors. I kept them. Pretty cool vintage, man. Trunk is solid throughout the entire car. All new quarters have been installed, and they did a clean job on the quarter panels and the passenger side as well. They did a really nice job. Under the trunk lip has been painted. Check out the rear end here. It is a 10-bolt posi. Newer gas tank. Dual exhaust. It's on a multi-leaf original spring. Okay. Check out the where the 396 breeds. Bam! Look at that big boy. Not too many Novas with big blocks in them, but I love it. I love it. 396. It's got hooker headers, chrome water pump, chrome alternator, polished valve covers, polished aluminum intake, Edelbrock 750 carb, nice battery, no overheating problems, clean firewall, upgraded HEI ignition system, and all the hoses have been replaced properly with the catch can. And then here you go, power disc brakes, and the bushings look very good on the car and throughout. So there's that. That's painted really nice there as well. Let's fire it up. Couple pumps. Turn signal for the left. Turn signal for the right. That's how you turn your lights on right there. And your wiper switch right there and does function. Okay. Uh-oh, horn doesn't work. Well, I know that. Radio is in op, but it is an AM/FM cassette radio if you wanted to keep that. And then here, yes, the heat and air, well, there's no air conditioning, but there you go. The heat defrost does function, okay? But this is a non-AC car. B&M shifter, triple gauge, as we discussed. Let's listen to the engine sound. Sounds good, huh? That's why you spend your money for a big block. Working, 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 working on your lights. Woo, baby. Working, working, and all working back here. baby. All right, so the fuel gauge does not work. Let's make a note of that. Power steering, power brakes. Okay, so we'll take a ride on the freeway. And then we'll cruise the streets. I love the tinted windows. Gives it a really sharp look from the outside. And the adjustable reclining seat, super nice. It's something you don't have in a Nova. These are aftermarket buckets, and they look really good in the car too. Shifts really good. Turbo 400 trans. Sounds healthy. No oddball noises in the car. It tracks down the road nice and straight as it should. The speedometer is working, but it bounces around a little bit. Pretty typical for a 50-year-old car. But you can at least gauge how fast you're going. Like right now we're cruising 60 miles an hour, and really that's what it states on the speedometer. It just bounces back and forth just a little bit. You can also power shift the car because you have a B&M ratchet shifter with the reverse lockouts. So to put the car in reverse, you have to lift up the knob and put it in reverse, and then also put it in park. That prevents you, when you're power shifting the car, to throw it in neutral and also in reverse and park on accidents. That's a safety feature when you upgrade to this kind of a shifter. And to put fuel in the car, if you guys don't know, if it's your first Classic or your first Nova, it's in the rear, center in the rear, right in the center under the chrome bumper. And to open up your hood is right in the dead center, right under the hood lip. You would just raise it up, the latch, and then you would be able to open up the hood. So that's where those things are at. Really happy selling a car in this quality. It's a great car, very reliable. No overheating problems. But I will go over my punch list with you guys because I do travel the country. I go look at least 5 to 10 cars. Look at this idiot. 5 to 10 cars before I buy one. I'm pretty picky, and I want a lot of the stuff to work that it's supposed to. So I'm going to go over my punch list with you guys shortly and let you guys know what I'm going to take care of. And basically, when you get the car, put gas in it, go enjoy it, live your life, invest some of your money in something fun, something tangible, and definitely something that will not lose value, especially a 69 Nova SS. Yes, this car does begin with the 114 as well. So if you guys need delivery, call me or text me or email me your zip code for a quote. If you guys need financing, your credit score got to start at about a 650. So between, if you're a 650 to between 650 to like a 725, go to jjbest.com, fill out the application. Let me know you did that. Okay. And then also, if your score is 725 and up, go to lightstream.com and fill out the application there. So you can downshift the car, okay, like I'm doing now, and then you can upshift it as you go. I just left a smoky patch in the back. Pretty cool. I'm not a huge fan of the B&M shifter, this ratchet style. It's not my style, but it does function nicely. And everyone's got a preference. It's like, what kind of, do you like Nike or Adidas, or do you like white shoes, black shoes? It's the same. It's the same thing, just a preference, but it does function as well. So great look. You guys seen my inspection on the exterior. You've seen my inspection on the interior. You've seen my inspection on the test drive. Now buy the car. Seriously, if you guys are ready, buy the car. These 69 model Novas are going up and up in value every day. Invest some of your money. Enjoy it. Have fun. So I'm about to pull up here at mgmclassiccars.com. I'll do a quick walk around one more time on the recap. These cars don't last long on the market. So I'll just back up here. And I'll do a recap. So here's my punch list. 1969 Nova blue, marina blue, stock number 190. Steering wheel needs to be tightened. It is a little bit loose. I'll take care of that. The horn doesn't work. I'll take care of that. The volts gauge is not working, as you can see there, and I will take that. Take care of that. Got about 40 pounds of pressure on the motor, which is good. The sun visors are in the trunk. You're gonna need new ones. Okay, those are original and they're very brittle, so those I took off. Okay, the shifter boots right there. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm not gonna mess with that. But if you wanted to order the shifter boot, you can get that on eBay, or if you wanted to change out the shifter. Purchase and install radio, it's an extra charge. This radio right here, like I said, does not work. But you do have 6x9s in the rear trunk, in the rear deck lid, and I'm sure those are functional. So that's an extra charge. It really depends on what radio you want, but I'm leaving it as is, not working. And then the last thing, the fuel gauge doesn't work. I will fix that part. So I'm gonna tighten up the steering wheel, fix the horn, fix the volts, and then fix the fuel gauge. Those are the items that I'm taking care of. Okay, let's do a quick walk around now. Booyah! 69 Nova SS396 big block, power steering, power disc brakes, excellent setup under the hood, beautiful stance around with the Riddler setup, beautiful marina blue paint, all the trim is in very good condition. Listen to that baby, all the lights function as it should. So once again, check us out at mgmclassiccars.com. Treat yourself to something nice. My number is 847-848-1850, mgmclassiccars.com.